There's a very good chance I have chocolate in my teeth since that's all I've eaten today. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely what is that? It's like my brain and my mouth just stopped functioning altogether. I'm hoping you're having a lovely day. Today we're going to be getting into yet another box. We're going to be doing the unboxing of this month's Macy's beauty box. As you guys know, we do a fair bit of unboxing on this channel, quite a bit of unboxing on this channel. And I do want to start like peppering in some other videos that aren't unboxing. So let me know what you guys would like to see. One of the things that I'm thinking about doing pretty like immediately is chopping my hair just a little bit. I got this like straggly like hay hanging down here, which I do not like at all. So I'm thinking about just doing it myself and doing it on YouTube. What on earth makes you think that that is a good idea? Enough about my terrible ideas. It's finally time to start the unboxing. I have to dig the box out from the hoard. If you guys could have just seen the convoluted mess that just happened. That looked like a daggone skit out of like the Three Stooges. Anyway, let's go ahead and cut on into this box. It literally just arrived at my door, so I'm very excited to see what is in here. Macy's Beauty Box is a $15 a month subscription, and inside you get beauty samples. Typically, I think you get like 6-ish of them, and they range from like hair care, skin care, makeup, that kind of stuff. I like to say that Macy's Beauty Box is Ipsy and Sephora mooshed together. You do get a bag every single month like you do with Ipsy, but it comes with more like Sephora type beauty products. So right here on top we have our little pamphlet that'll tell us about the items inside of the box. It also comes with a nifty little, a nifty little coupon here. Typically it is for $5 off any beauty purchase on Macy's online, but this month they decided to spoil us a little bit and give a $10 off coupon. So if you purchase something online from Macy's, a beauty product, it can be shipped to you for free and you get $10 off. When I first saw this, I made kind of like a strange face. I don't know, it just looked very interesting all tied up in this little box here, but this is our bag. And from the looks of it and the fact that it says sweat right here, I'm guessing this is like a gym related thing. I personally don't frequent the gym, meaning it's been at least 2 years since I've stepped foot in a gym. Oh my gosh, I thought I just lost it right then. Oh wow. Oh, look at that! This is actually really nice. This is a useful drawstring bag. Like you could put stuff in here. I'm kind of happy with this. It does say I don't sweat, I sparkle on the front, and I'm gonna say I'm not a sparkler when I sweat. I'm more like a I just poured water over my head kind of sweater. So I don't know if that exactly applies to me, but I really like the size of the bag and that it's a drawstring and you could put some things in there. To me personally, this looks like a nice bag to use when traveling to put like your shampoos and conditioners and stuff in. So if it like spills or anything, it gets inside the bag and not all over the place. But I suppose you could use it to go to the gym as well if you're somebody besides me. All right, inside we still just have our little pink roll here of all the products. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel these so we can see what's inside. Alrighty, so the very first thing I'm grabbing out of here is the perfume sample for the month, and this comes in like a plastic bag for some reason. This is from Jimmy Choo, and it is the fragrance Fever. So here is the tiny little spritzer. It just says Fever on the front. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little sniff of this and see what it's like. Ooh, so far I actually really like this scent. It honestly reminds me a little bit of a perfume I either already have or have smelled before. I don't know what it is. I have a terrible memory, but I personally think this smells really nice. It's a little bit on like the warmer side, and I really like warm perfumes, especially going into fall, or actually all year round. I pretend it's fall all the time, so warm perfumes are kind of like what I wear every day. So far I'm liking this little perfume sample. Okie dokie, and next up in here we have something from Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure Castile Soap. 18? What are 18 things you could do with this soap? 18-in-1. The heck? What? I'm reading the little description here and it seems different. It says, enjoy only 2 cosmetics, enough sleep, and Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap to clean body, mind, soul, spirit, instantly uniting. 1 for facial packs, scalp and soothing body rub, add dash on bath towel and sink of hot water, wring out, lay over face and scalp, massage with fingertips, repeat 3 or 4 times till arms, legs, and all are rubbed always towards the heart. I don't know. This seems like a very interesting product to try out. I guess anything I need soap for, I'm just gonna give this a go and see if it works. Oh, okay, so apparently there's another perfume sample in here. They snuck one in on me. This one is also from Jimmy Choo, but this is Jimmy Choo Man. And this is the fragrance Blue. So let's give this a little spritz here and see what we think. Ooh, it definitely smells like man, all right. That's a really strong scent, but I actually really like it. I think I might have to spray down my boyfriend with this today and see if he likes it, because I personally do. It is kind of different though to see two perfume samples in one box. I'm hoping they're kind of like a set because they're both Jimmy Choo and it didn't count as like one of the products. Okay, next up here we have something from just Y-U-N-I, maybe? Uni? And this is a shower sheet. Large body wipe, instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. They got some different stuff in this box this month. So basically this is a big moist towelette, just a real big moist towelette that you're supposed to refresh every inch of your skin with. Perfect for yoga, don't do that. Workout, don't do that. Surfing, hiking, camping, travel, festival going. Wow, everything I never do. Okay, so there is one shower sheet in here, so this is good for one shower. I don't know, this box is just very strange to me this month. I don't quite know how I feel about it. I'm guessing it all is supposed to go with kind of like the workout theme, but so far it's not quite my favorite. Ooh, okay, next up in here we do have something from a Sunday Riley. Very pricey brand. This is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It says that this is for exfoliating dull skin to make it more luminous and radiant and young. It is, of course, a very teeny tiny little sample. I'm trying to see through it to see where the sample actually begins. Because a good portion of the time in these little bitty bottles, there's like this much actually in the actual bottle. I will definitely give this a try. Sunday Riley is a very pricey brand, so that's nice to have in there, even though it is really, really tiny. Okay, next up here we have something from Donna Karan. This is a Cashmere Mist deodorant, antiperspirant. I get that this is supposed to go with like the exercising theme or something, but for some reason this bag is just weird to me. So this is the deodorant. It smells pretty good. It smells kind of like regular deodorant. It is like a twist up little thing here. You're getting a pretty decent size sample as well. A very decent size sample actually. However, this just looks like extra fancy deodorant. I feel like this is going to be very expensive for something that you can purchase for very cheap at the store. And I have to say, I'm not typically a huge fan of getting deodorants in subscription boxes, especially one that's supposed to be more for like beauty and makeup and higher end stuff. I don't know, I'm just not sure about that. And then the final thing in our little bag here is something I am actually excited about. This is from Clinique. This is a Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Balm in the shade Super Strawberry. And this is just a little lip crayon. I know I say crown instead of like crayon or however else it's said. I don't know if that's like the Kentucky in me or if people from Kentucky say it differently. I don't really know, but I've always said crown, so let me know how you say this word down below in the comments. I'd really like to know. The color of this, it does look really nice, and it's just kind of a sheer balm. This is more of the stuff that I wear like in my everyday life when I'm at work and stuff, because it's just easier to put on, keeps your lips nice and moisturized. You don't have to worry about it flaking off or getting on your teeth or anything. So I definitely think that this is probably one of my favorite things in the bag. All right, you guys, now I'm gonna go through and tell you all the full size prices of the items that came in my bag. This is one of my favorite parts because sometimes the prices are ridiculous and I like to read them. All right, so the very first thing is the Uni shower sheets, which are $22 full size. I don't know how many you get in a full size like box of them. I'll do a little research and put that on the screen for you guys, but I hope it's like a lot of them because basically they're just big moist towelettes. From what I can find on Sephora's website, they offer 12 wipes for $15, which isn't too terrible. Then we have this Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap, which if you guys can see there's a lot of text on this little bottle telling you all about it. But it is $11 full size, and it says you're supposed to be able to wash your hair, your face, your clothes, your everything with this soap. Then we have this Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Deodorant, which is $27 full size. Is how I wonder how big the full size is, because $27 is like $24 more than I pay for my current deodorant, which works pretty good. Okay, I probably shouldn't get worked up over the price of a deodorant, you know, they're not making anybody buy it, but that's still a lot of money. Then we have our Sunday Riley Good Jeans, which the full size of this tiny little guy here is $105. That's just an astounding amount of money for a face thing. Then we have the Clinique Chubby Stick, which the full size of it is $17.50. That's pretty decently reasonable. And finally, we have our two different perfumes here from Jimmy Choo. The Man Blue Eau de Toilette is $90 for 3.3 ounces, and then Fever is $112 for 3.3 ounces. So overall, you guys, I really do not know how I feel about this box. It's a little bit confusing for me. Maybe if I was just like a gym junkie, I would be a little bit more excited about some of these things, but you know, it's not my favorite box for sure. This is actually probably one of my least favorite boxes we've had in a while. Altogether, this little stack of items right here costs $15. I am very happy that they included the $10 off coupon this month. I will be able to use that to get my foundation that I like to wear. So that makes me a little bit more excited about it, but overall, I'm just not really excited about this box here. I feel like we probably have a decent amount of value because this $27 deodorant and the Sunday Riley eye cream, but overall, this has not been my favorite box. I am happy to have a useful big bag like this though, so that's something. But let me know. I just threw something. So let me know what you guys thought about this month's box down below in the comments. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions. And that is all I have for you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!